Today, we are excited to bring you some amazing cool survival gadgets. We cover topics about Amazon products, gadgets, and amazing top machines on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Pyro Putty. Pyro Putty is a revolutionary fire-starting aid designed for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists alike. Crafted from a proprietary blend of non-toxic, weather-resistant materials, Pyro Putty ignites effortlessly with a spark or flame, providing a reliable source of heat in any condition. Its compact and portable design makes it an essential addition to any camping, hiking, or emergency kit. Whether in rain, wind, or snow, Pyro Putty ensures quick and efficient fire ignition, giving adventurers peace of mind and confidence in their outdoor pursuits. Conquer the elements with Pyro Putty by your side. Vispax Solo Tent. Vispax Solo Tent is the epitome of ultralight backpacking shelters, designed for solo adventurers seeking premium performance and minimal weight. Crafted from cutting-edge Dyneema composite fabric, DCF, this tent offers unparalleled strength-to-weight ratio, ensuring durability and protection against the elements without unnecessary bulk. The single-pole design and simple setup make it effortless to pitch, perfect for fast-paced trips where every ounce counts. With ample interior space and a vestibule for gear storage, the Plex Solo provides comfort and convenience without compromising on weight. Embrace the freedom of lightweight exploration with this Plex Solo Tent. MFH Bucksaw. The MFH Bucksaw is an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists, offering reliable cutting power in a compact and portable package. Crafted from durable materials, this collapsible bucksaw features a sturdy frame and a sharp, replaceable blade, allowing for effortless cutting through branches and small logs. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry on backpacking trips, camping adventures, or emergency situations. With its ergonomic handle and simple assembly, the MFH Bucksaw ensures efficient operation and hassle-free use in the wilderness. Stay prepared and conquer the outdoors with the MFH Bucksaw by your side. UATM. UATM is a pioneering company dedicated to enabling smart energy storage solutions. With a focus on safety, portability, and cutting-edge technologies, UATM aims to redefine the way power is harnessed and utilized in various industries. UATM, founded in 2020, aims to become synonymous with innovation and novel technologies in the energy storage industry. The Origin 800 is a testament to the company's commitment to providing safe, portable, and groundbreaking solutions for a wide range of applications. With integrated voice control, onboard LCD screens for power monitoring, and a powerful app for real-time status updates and control, the Origin 800 exemplifies the next generation of portable power stations. MyMedic Sidekick. The MyMedic Sidekick is the ultimate first aid kit, compact yet comprehensive, designed to accompany you on all your adventures. Packed with essential medical supplies and organized for quick access, it's the perfect companion for outdoor excursions, travel, or everyday emergencies. With durable construction and waterproof casing, the Sidekick ensures your supplies stay protected in any environment. From minor cuts and scrapes to more serious injuries, this kit equips you with the tools and knowledge to handle a wide range of medical situations. Don't leave home without the MyMedic Sidekick, your trusted partner in safety and preparedness. Sawyer Mini Water Filtration System. The Sawyer Mini Water Filtration System is a compact and versatile solution for clean drinking water in the great outdoors. Weighing just a few ounces, this portable filter fits in the palm of your hand and easily attaches to hydration packs, water bottles, or drinking pouches. Using advanced hollow fiber membrane technology, it removes 99.99999% of bacteria and protozoa, ensuring safe drinking water from freshwater sources. With a high flow rate and long-lasting filter life, the Sawyer Mini is perfect for hiking, camping, travel, and emergency preparedness. Stay hydrated and healthy wherever your adventures take you with the Sawyer Mini Water Filtration System. Gerber ExoMod System. The Gerber ExoMod system is a versatile and modular tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. With its innovative design, it serves as a multifunctional base platform that accommodates various attachments and accessories, allowing users to customize it for their specific needs. Whether you're seeking a knife, saw, or other utility tool, the ExoMod system can adapt to suit your requirements. Crafted from durable materials and featuring a compact form factor, it's ideal for backpacking, camping, or emergency situations where space and versatility are paramount. Stay prepared and empowered in the wilderness with the Gerber ExoMod system by your side. Thank you for watching this machine and gadget-filled adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on the latest tech trends.